Hello everyone, my name's James Folino and I'm back for another edition of the Gold Coast property and auction sales results. This week we'll be covering the week of Monday the 30th of August up until Sunday the 5th of September. And like we do every week, we'll have a bit of a snapshot at the auction clearance rates, and then we'll go into some lower price properties, and then we'll go into some higher price properties after that. So let me share my screen with you guys and we'll get started. We'll get straight into it. So what we're going to do today, we're going to go straight to the auction clearance rates for last weekend. And as you can see, Victoria and New South Wales are still very strong, upwards of that 90%. And we're well aware that they're currently in lockdown. Queensland fared just a little bit under that at 76%. If we click into the results for Queensland, we can see that Queensland, there was 277 scheduled auctions. Of the 277 scheduled, we've got results for 128 of those. 95 was sold at auction, and that provided a clearance rate of 76%. The big figure again is the one below that. It's the 1,527 private sales. So giving Queensland for the week just over 1,600 sales. Victoria was around that 1,200 mark, and New South Wales was above that 1,900. So again, Queensland for sales volumes in second place. And again, like I said, the property market is still moving at a very strong rate over here. Okay, so let's go into the lower price properties first. This is the first one we're going to look at. This was a great buy in Labrador. This was at 20 Horder Avenue. It's a 3-bed, 1-bath with 1-car accommodation home. It's on a 500 square metre block, and it was a corner block. So this definitely lends itself to development in the future. And this property was purchased for the price of $632,550. So good buying there for a corner block in Labrador close to the water. Next one we're going to look at is this one here. This was at number 4 Bridal Lane in Mollendina. This was a 3-bed, 1-bath with single car garage, brick veneer, tile roof. This home, and the beauty of this home is the land size. This was on 1,012 square meters, so pretty much a double block of land. Original home, could be lived in as it is, or it could be updated. This was sold $675,000. The next one we're going to look at is 17 Bounty Way in Pacific Pines. You've got this lovely newish double-story home, double garage, 4-bed, 2-bath. And again, as you can see on the inside, lovely build on this home. Block of land was 456 square meters, and this home here, pool in the complex, this home here sold for $545,000. We're going to move along to this one in Merrimack. This was at 43 King Gary Circuit, 3-bed, 2-bath, double car garage. Has been updated on the inside. Lovely looking home. And this home here in Merrimack sold for $725,000. Block of land, does it say in that picture? It doesn't say, but it looks like an average size block. Okay, we'll keep moving along. We've got this one here back into Southport. This was at 104 Kindra Avenue in Southport. 4-bed, 2-bath, single car garage with a swimming pool. Has been renovated, this home, and ready for someone to move into. As you can see, lovely bathroom, polished floorboards. This one here in Southport, $685,000. The last one we're going to look at in the lower price range is this one here at 13 Slack Street in Upper Coomera. This was just an original 4-bed, 2-bath, double garage, brick and tile home, single level. As you can see, for a first home buyer or an investor, is a great buying. Land size 455 square meters. And this one here in Upper Coomera sold at $525,000. Okay, we're going to move along to the higher price range now. We're going to move up to a suburb called Holywell on the northern Gold Coast. This home here did have water at the rear, so you do have canal access to the rear, and you're only one house from the Broadwater. This was at 6 Van Diemen Place. This was a 3-bed, 2-bath with 2-car accommodation home, double garage home with car space. You've got a swimming pool. This was on 738 square meters of land. As you can see from that picture, you've got your own little boat ramp as well. So really good home here. And this one here sold for 1.9 million. The next one we're going to look at is another waterfront home. It's this one here. It's a double-story home. This is at 60 Lakeshore Drive in Helensvale. This was a 4-bed, 3-bath, double garage home. You have lovely water views from this home. Beautiful area. And this home here, again, brick and tile. This one here at Lakeshore sold for 1.3 million. The last one that we're going to look at in the northern area is this one here. This was at 12 Jack Nicholas Way in Parkwood. And as you can see, it's a lovely, this one's a 4-bed, 3-bath, double garage home. It's got a swimming pool at the rear. It's on a large block of land. This was on 911 square meters. And this one sold at 915,000. Middle Gold Coast, we're going to move a bit inland. This was an auction property on the weekend. This was at 16 Madigan Road in Carrara. Lovely double-story home, 4-bed, 3-bath, 2-car accommodation. And you can see from the block size, it was a huge block of land. This was 1,252 square meters of land. A really big block of land, lovely renovated kitchen, lovely renovated home. This sold 1,080,000. We're going to move a bit more inland again, still in the northern area, middle area. This was at 9 Winderadine Court in Nerang. This was a 4-bed, 3-bath, 2-car accommodation home. This was on half an acre, so quite a big block of land on this one. And this home here sold for just over $1 million, $1,022,000. So with solar, really good home. And like I said, for someone wanting that land component, there it is. The last one we're going to look at in the Middle Gold Coast is number 7 Barrow Court in Ashmore. This was a 4-bed, 2-bath, double garage home, brick and tile, lovely swimming pool, original condition home, beautiful cathedral ceilings, lovely wooden roof there. This home here sold 850,000. Great buying. Okay, we're going to move southern Gold Coast now. We've got a waterfront property in Burleigh Waters. This was at 46 Galeen Drive, 575 square meters. You've got a 3-bed, 2-bath with accommodation for 4 cars. And this one here, waterfront home, sold 1.7 million. The next one we're going to look at, probably one of the better buys of the week, is this one here. It was sold. This was at 192 Cypress Avenue. There were no internal pics of this. I would suggest that this would have been definitely sold to a developer. Land size being 678 square meters. It was 5-bed, 3-bath with 2-car accommodation. Not sure of the configuration of the internal home, and this one sold 1.785 million. And it'd be fair to say that in the future we're probably going to see a duplex or a triplex on this property. We're going to stay in Palm Beach. We're going to look at this little one here. This was at 48 3rd Avenue in Palm Beach. Small little cottage style home, 2-bed, 1-bath. Car accommodation down the side. This was on 506 square meters of land. But as you can see, what sold this home was the proximity to the ocean, very close, a short walk. And this one here in Palm Beach sold for 1.39 million. And that would be land value. We're going to move along. We're going to look at this one here when I get it on my screen. Here we go. We're going to look at this one. And this is at 40 Dilgarra Road in Chugan. This was a 4-bed, 3-bath with car accommodation home. As you can see from the pics, you've got some a lovely hinterland views or views up into the mountain. This one here was on 506 square meters of land. Lovely renovated kitchen there. Beautifully updated home. And this one here sold for 1.17 million. The last one that we're going to look at is this one here in Chugan. Again, this was one of the better buys of the week, like the other couple of corners that I've showed you. 3 Monash Street in Chugan. This was on 516 square meter corner block, brick and tile home, very close to the water. And this corner block home sold 810,000. So someone wanting a home to renovate, fantastic. Someone wanting a development site, even better. So they were the results for this week. Again, every week we find some that may look like there's more value than others, but that's the real estate market, and that's what we're here to investigate and to look at. I hope I've been of service to you. If you've got any other questions or any other queries, don't hesitate to give me a call. Good luck with your property hunting. Until next week, I'll see you then.